Don't go there. So you see them already? Next year?
My baby.
Now how you feel for say? Come here say when me feel for say. Now how you feel for say?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually here getting ready to leave work. I'm leaving work early today because I'm actually going to get my son from college today. I'm surprising the whole family because tomorrow is my daughter's birthday. She's going to be 4 and nobody's expecting him to be home. So he wanted to surprise his sister, and while I'm at work, my husband actually called and let me know that he's working late, so I have to pick up the kids. They're actually at my in-laws today. So I guess them they'll get surprised too. So I'm gonna go get my son. Then I'm gonna pick up the kids and surprise them. And then tomorrow we're gonna have a little thing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the friend to the friend. Follow me on TikTok, guys. I'm going myself over there. So follow me on TikTok at KeneishaSays. So let's go.
I woke up too late to eat breakfast. I woke up when you called me.
And look what I'm calling.
I know, but then I didn't get up, and then when I got up, it was too late.
Guys, my baby is here. I lost much time and I come here, now. I come run here, so.
Bro,
but I entered from here.
The first parking garage is where you're supposed to park. That's where you parked up the first time.
But it had, when we did contract off, it said Burn-Up Hall, right?
Yeah.
It never said Burn-Up Honey again. I want different, so it says some other name. So I came here first, come just put in Eastern on the camera, yes, so. And then I saw that one and I turned in your man. I said,
I'm gonna show you exactly where to go. Okay. Watch this. Well, and you're gonna exit from here anyway, so I'm not gonna be able to show you where to go.
So then I come back all the way up, and I go back up which one I know, which was up at the admission area. Okay. And then I come back down which one I know, so I drop you. But then they showed it not showing Burn-Up.
Oh no, just park in the first parking garage. My Burn-Up is literally
behind us.
It's to the right. Like you know when you're coming down the street and there's a stop sign, you can go that way or that way. Burn-Up is literally the building right there.
Come and come back out and go up this and say I can't just sit calling them, so we're pulling them on stop parking spot
you were
first.
Here for so long, like you could have been found me if you called me.
I was gonna do one surprise you until I come up in the door, you know?
Bruh.
Alright guys, so we have my baby. Show your face now, my baby. Show me your face now. You're not seeing. Alright, we don't figure out a way. Okay, so I have to go pick up Jamania and Tristan them then over your grandmother, so we'll surprise them first.
Alright.
And then go home. Your grandfather. Your father now come home to around 7 o'clock because I'm work late. So guys, I'll see you.
Go ahead. I'm gonna tell you what I wanted to do with that.
I'll see you when I reach back in Hartford. I'm in Willimantic right now. So TJ and Moya took this off and fine. So guys, we're finally back in Hartford. And we just pull up and grandparents also got more to watch so bad. So we don't see the reaction TJ going in. Press the doorbell.
Bro, I probably got the keys.
You still have a key?
Oh, they changed the lock. That's crazy.
Yeah, kind of. Just press the button.
I did.
Bend down now. Don't go this way. Don't go this way. You see them already? Next year?
Hey, what's up? Whoa. Welcome. We have seen this morning, you know.
It's a surprise.
Hey, surprise. Surprise.
We're putting them the monthly surprise them.
They're not coming out of there, you know.
What are they?
They're going to bus ride.
Which bus ride?
I don't know.
Oh, what is your
Ask
sister?
her daughter. Because she demand bus ride every week.
Because she just gone take a bus for no reason?
I told you that's how you feel me?
It's Shane
I
for
think
one
the
more
mall
time.
must have gone.
Okay.
Alright.
Go on upstairs.
Which one if you
Go
go?
downstairs. Just go on upstairs. Tavana, go on. Wait, Tavana, no left Tavana. Tavana!
Here.
Come here, sir.
Come on then.
Thank you for being a friend. Go down. Open teacher room.
Hi, my baby. Hi, my
Don't let Tristan a ball. Tristan crying?
I feel like crying.
What are you? I didn't think you don't miss him, sir. It's a family reunion. Who we introducing? Tristan, it's basically so when come back. Tristan, are you crying?
No.
Oh. See your brother?
You're so big. You got it. No, he is so.
It's him, it's him.
Yo.
He came to surprise you for your birthday, Tavania.
I find my birthday in my bag.
Are you guys happy that your brother is back?
Yeah, mommy.
I'm very happy.
Mommy.
You're very happy. See?
My phone.
How you feel? How you feel?
Kick on sturdy, bro. I'm chilling, kick. Back to the fam, bro.
Just close my door.
You give him a run out. You're back. After the foolishness already. So guys, one surprise done. Guys, we never surprised your grandmother. So one surprise done. We're waiting for the daddy to come home and see how it works out. See if you know surprise. You feel like you know surprise?
No.
You feel like you have to set up the camera from in here. Or you don't have to set up the camera. When I hear my phone, you have to do the camera and give me a touch there. Yeah? Alright.
Thank you for being a friend.
Oh, yeah.
Travel down the road and back again.
Hey, so we started from the bottom, now we're here, girl.
It's true.
Oh, yeah.
Well, and a confidant.
This is my part right here. Whoa. If I did
Everyone you knew.
the biggest gift, the biggest. Thank you for being my friend. Oh, yeah. No.
What are you doing here? Look off the car, you know. What are you doing here? Eh?
You come in our street because
Gotta share this in the twenty. You want back to all kind of.
No.
And then
Where are you doing now? Okay, where are you doing?
Why?
Your mother come to you? Yeah. Before you go for them? Oh.
well, maybe I go for them. They actually come go. Yeah, I already.
Is it everybody? She get big. She can't turn on my light. No. I remember when she couldn't turn on my light.
Then Frank when they come down, then come see me because I'm going to pick them up. Sure, they have them in my mom.
Oh.
Tristan almost gone.
I wish you not.
You know what Tristan say?
What?
Tristan said, no, because you know the on good terms all the time, that means they're not going to miss you. Alright guys, so it worked for the most part. Troy was surprised, she was happy you did not see that video very good because we didn't get good clips. I never want to make him know exactly what was going on. But the kids were excited. Tristan almost cried. He's here getting frustrated because of the game not play right. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Until later, bye bye.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeremy. Happy birthday.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.